The past week has been exceptional at Tremblant in terms of snow accumulation. We received over 60 centimeters of snow since last Thursday. The conditions are exceptional on our 102 trails and glades. The school break season is here at Tremblant. The village and the mountain is full of energy. We always recommend to stay vigilant at all times on the slopes to ensure you have an incredible ski day. We recommend you check out the Mountain Code of Conduct on our website to learn the ski and snowboard safety rules. Our events this weekend, this Saturday, we have the last Super Demo Day of the season. So come try next season skis and snowboard and shop your next gear. This Saturday also is the Touring at Night event presented by the North Face. So participants will ascend the mountain at sunset and ski down with a headlamp to end the night with a mountaineer dinner. If you see them during their ascent, cheer them on. Finally, there is still time to register for the Red Bull Raid, which will take place on March 1st, so next Saturday. So this challenge is perfect for adrenaline seekers, whether you're on skis or snowboard. You can register now on our website.
Bonjour, ici Émilie de l'Association Villégiature de Tremblant. On a bien hâte de vous recevoir pour les relâches scolaires. Il va y avoir des activités pour toute la famille en après-midi et il va y avoir des soirées dansantes à partir de 19h. Venez en grand nombre!
So come enjoy all the snow and have a great weekend!